Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 14, leçon Y.
So let's discover 3, and that's the good thing. I mean, not a lot, so you need to remember them by heart, please. Irregular present participles. Okay, so let's see. I mean, we're talking about the usual because the first one is être, of course, to be. So normally the way to go is you go through nous, and then based on that you will construct your present participle, but in that case of course you get nous sommes, and if you look carefully it's totally different. Okay, so the present participle is étant, and it means being. So one more time, être, to be, étant, being. So the second one is obviously avoir, and it's to have. Remember, we have normally this nous avons form at the present, and for most of the verbs, I mean almost all of them, we go through this nous form to construct this present participle, but in that case obviously it will be different because we get ayant, and it means having. Okay, so avoir, to have, ayant, having. And the last tricky one is savoir, and it means to know. Normally you should have nous savons at the present, but then it will give you something different. It will be sachant, knowing. So one more time, savoir, to know, sachant, knowing.
So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content, and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me, and so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.